Hello, I'm going to show you how to make poster on Canva app using your Android phone. But first, make sure to download your Canva app. Then open your Canva app. To create a poster, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Then click the poster. A blank sheet will appear on your screen. Tap the plus sign at the corner of the screen to choose templates or designs for your poster. After choosing a design, you can now edit your poster by tapping each design. You can delete or move the design. You can also add text or another design by clicking the plus sign on the screen. You can add shapes by clicking elements. You can add photos on your gallery. You can add text or draw. If you want to add text, just tap the text button. Then you can choose from headings, titles, or subheadings, or you can also choose the designs at the bottom of the page. After choosing a design, you can edit the size and you can edit the text. Now you have your poster on your Canva. That's all. Thank you for watching.